Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we have not one, but two boxes from the Lookfantastic beauty box. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription and you get 6 beauty items for $19. So it's a really affordable beauty subscription as well. They sent me both variations of the August box and you can still get the August box on their website right now. I have not opened them up, so I don't know what is in each variation, but I am very, very excited. Lookfantastic did send me these boxes to review for free. So I did not pay for these boxes, but I will always give 100% my honest review, and we will talk about which items are cruelty-free and how cruelty-free friendly the box is. So which one should I open first? They literally look exactly the same. I don't know which one is which variation, but I know that both are the August box. Let's go with this one. We have this cute little quote inside that says, "Do more of what makes your soul radiate, LF Beauty Box, hashtag LF Beauty Box." And then we have this little booklet over here that is probably gonna have all of our info. This is a pretty big booklet, the Radiance edition. So this is the Radiance box and it says August 2020, tips, reviews, products, and interviews. So that's so cool. This is like a little mini magazine. The first item I got is the Mio Sun-Drenched Body Wash and it says Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. So I did not know micellar water could also be used to cleanse your body. Of course, if it could take off makeup, it can also cleanse your body, but I've never seen it in a body wash before. I have never heard of this brand, Mio brand, but we'll see on the try on section. I'm not gonna shower and take you in there and use this as body wash, but I will wash my hands or something with it and give you a little bit of a review. The next product we have is from Ahava. Ahava is like a Dead Sea brand. It's made in Israel, and this is Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in the scent water. So the scent water, it doesn't get the best reviews. I will say that. I have looked this up a lot, and there is a little bit of controversy on whether Ahava is cruelty-free or not. They have the PETA cruelty-free and vegan like logo on the back of their products, but they also stated to several people who have emailed them what is their cruelty-free policy, and they say, we don't test on animals except where required by law, which means that they sell in China, and that means that they're not technically cruelty-free. So we're not sure if this is older packaging or if whoever is responding to those emails, even though there's multiple emails, is sending the wrong information and maybe they are supposed to be cruelty-free. They were not on PETA's cruelty-free list when I looked them up, so I'm not 100% sure, but like I said, this is a very iffy brand. I personally probably won't buy from them anymore because they're not being very clear on whether they're cruelty-free or not, and it seems like they're kind of saying that they're not. The third item I got is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. For global protection, I assume that means that it has SPF. I don't see any ingredients on here, so we're gonna have to look those up. I've also never heard of Ren Clean Skincare. Lookfantastic is a UK box, so there's definitely gonna be different brands in here that I've never heard or tried before, but I kind of like that. I kind of like trying new brands out. Our fourth item is from Avant Skincare. So Avant is expensive. Like whatever this is as a sample size is probably what you would spend on a moisturizer full size in any other brand. That is how expensive this product is. So this is their Shea Butter Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Vitamin B3 Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This is supposed to be a really great brand. I only hear good things about this brand, so I'm so excited to try this. Sample size is small, but for something that's an eye cream, I think we're gonna be fine with just using a tiny amount. I don't know if I'll use this as a face cream, but I'll definitely be using this as an eye cream. So the next product is from Percy and Reed, and it says Percy and Reed London. So like I said, we're working with some UK brands here. And it says Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Mousse. I don't know if I should do this either because then I have to undo my hair, but we might. And the last product is from Caudalie, and this is their Vino Perfect Radiance Serum All Skin Types. I kind of want to open this now because I feel like that means that it should be tinted, right? It's not. Complexion, to me, complexion correction would be like a color corrector, but this is just like, so it must be some kind of skincare then. I don't think that this is meant to be a primer. Those are the 6 items in variation number 1. Let's make it compete with variation 2. Why not make this a competition? So we're gonna open her up This one has a customs declaration in it. Cool. Same little booklet. It's of course gonna have the different products inside. Okay, this one has some cosmetics in it. The other one was all skincare and some hair care. And it looks like we have one item that is a repeat, 2 items that are a repeat. So I guess both boxes will come with this, the Mio and the Caudalie. So we'll put that over here. And then the rest is all different. The other 4 items are all different. We still have an Ahava product, but this is their Dead Sea Mineral Body Lotion Sun-Kissed, and this one definitely gets a lot better reviews than the water. Yeah, the scent I think is better too. This has a little bit more of a like natural scent. That one has more of like, I don't know the right word. People described it as baby wipes when I looked it up, and I don't think that's just right, but I do see why they would say that. This is gonna be interesting. We'll put the 2 Ahavas against each other. I'll do one hand in one and one hand in the other and see if either feels softer or if it's just a smell better type thing. Then I got another Percy and Reed hair item, but this is their Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. So we got the mousse in the other box, and this one we got Wonder Balm. There's like a little woman on here that says, I believe in miracles. It's a pretty hefty claim right there. Now this I am very excited for. I really love the brand Ico. This is Ico London, and this is their Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go in black. This is of course gonna be a sample size, so we're gonna see a very cute looking mascara in here. I feel like I'm gonna like this. I really love all the other Ico products I've tried. It has kind of like a brush that bends a little. And then the last item we got is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is a mineral blush in the color Amaretto. I'm not gonna go off and do as much research as I normally do because there's 12 items, 2 boxes. It would actually make this video horrifically long. So I am gonna go off and I'm gonna just find you in general, what is the rating, if it has a rating online, and how many reviewers, and is it cruelty free or not. That's gonna be the basics. Then we're gonna try it on. So if you're interested in hearing more about each product and the try on part of this video, I'll be back in a few moments.
A few moments later.
For the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash, this had a 4.1 star rating with 11 reviewers. This is a cruelty-free product. This was actually really cool. It had a light shimmer. You could see it right away when I poured it in my hand. And it had a really good scent. It smells a little bit citrusy and a little bit sweet. Definitely exactly what I would want my body to smell like. So I am very excited about this, and I'm glad that I got 2 samples because both boxes came with this sun-drenched body wash. For the Percy and Reed Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Mousse, this had less than 10 reviews available, and this brand, it was very ambiguous whether it was cruelty-free or not. So we're gonna just pretend that it's not because there's not enough evidence that it is. I used it on damp hair and I thought that it really did a nice job. I was just not fond of the scent. It smells very mineral. That's the best way that I can describe it. Like if you take supplements that aren't the easiest to take. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not pleasant either. For the Percy and Reed Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm, this had a 4.4 star rating with 120 reviewers. And again, this one, it's ambiguous whether it's cruelty-free or not, so we are just gonna say not enough evidence to support that it is. This product has a little bit more of a clean scent, kind of like fresh soap out of the shower scent, a typical bar of soap that's trying not to smell like perfumey. I put this through damp hair in the color treated dry part of my hair, and I don't think that it was a miracle at all. I don't see it adding moisture, shine, definition, all that it said it was going to. For the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, this one had a 4.3 star rating with 9,069 reviewers. It's a lot of reviews out there. This is not a cruelty-free brand. This product has grape extract, and to me the scent is a mixture between grape and kind of like basil to me, like some sort of an herb scent, but a sweet herb, so I would probably say it would be basil. It does have fragrance in it, it's pretty high up. I really liked the way it felt because it absorbed super well and it was so lightweight. It's super thin actually, it's very watery consistency, so it does glide on really easily. It's just like adding water to your face and it absorbs really, really fast into the skin. I don't know if it really did any skin perfecting. I expected it to be a color corrector when it says that, but maybe it means that it's filling my pores as a primer. So here's a close-up of my face. You can see maybe skin perfecting it's doing. For the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in the scent Water, this one has a 4.7 star rating with 744 reviewers. I am going to talk about the reviews on this one quickly just because I've researched the reviews a lot, and a lot of the negatives, even though a lot of people say that it works really well, which it does, the negatives are about the scent. Other people describe the scent as baby wipes. I think it has kind of like a grandma scent to it. I don't know, I've never really smelled baby wipes, but it doesn't smell great. But it does absorb in the skin really well, and it does leave your hands feeling very soft. In the first Ahava product from the first box, it has a PETA cruelty-free and vegan, but the second Ahava product, the body lotion, has a little logo that says vegan. So I feel like maybe what I was reading online is correct, that this is no longer cruelty-free, that it was cruelty-free and it's no longer cruelty-free because now they sell in mainland China. Seeing these two, the fact that one of them has it and the other doesn't, that maybe it is true that their cruelty-free status changed, so we are going to treat this like it is not cruelty-free. For the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, this is in the scent Sea Kissed, and this is a 4.9 star rating with 153 reviewers. This one is complete 180 from the other scent. It smells so nice and clean. I actually think it smells like the ocean, like it smells like the sea, but it also has a slightly sweet scent to it. This body lotion is definitely a lot thinner than the hand cream, and I would say it's not as moisturizing as the hand cream. So if you had really dry skin, I would probably choose the hand cream even though the scent isn't as good. This is still moisturizing, it's just not as intense. For the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Cream, this one is a 4.2 star rating with 696 reviewers. This one is a cruelty-free brand. This one has fragrance and it has a little bit of a floral scent, but it's not rose, so it's a different floral scent. It is a lot thicker of a cream. It took a while to absorb, and actually the directions say massage until absorbed, so I feel like they know that it takes a while to absorb, but overall it felt really good on the skin. It has a very silky feel to it, so I think it's a really good base for makeup. For the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream, this has a 4.3 star rating with 27 reviewers, and Avant Skincare is cruelty-free. This one has a nice sweet scent to it. It's very light, but it is very nice. I like this one a lot. I loved the feel underneath my eyes. I didn't apply it all over my face. I applied it underneath my eyes only, and it has hyaluronic acid, it has shea butter, which is extremely moisturizing. Definitely a lot of good ingredients. The next product is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto. This is a 4.3 star rating with 117 reviewers. Also a cruelty-free brand. Loved this one, blended super easily. I used a stippling brush and just tapped it on my cheek. And I really love the finished look. It has a nice little like burnt pink color to it, which I really loved the color. And the last product I used is the Ico Lash Alert Mascara. This one had a 4.4 star rating with 795 reviewers, and this is a cruelty-free brand. I really like the shape of the wand for this mascara, but I don't think that it did anything in volumizing or lengthening my lashes. It does have a pretty good feel. It's not like a super sticky feel. It feels just like my own lashes, and I really do like looking for that in a mascara, but I also like the volumizing, and I don't feel like this did that. It just made my lashes black. So now let's talk about money because it's important. We're gonna start with the two products that were in both boxes. So for the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash, this is a $3 US value when you do milliliter for milliliter. So everything I broke down based on the size of the sample. For the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, this has a $26 retail dollar value for this size. Like the full size is much more than this. So this is $26. So for box one, the first product was from Avant Skincare. It's their face and night eye cream, and this had a $27 retail value for this small size because, like I said, it's a very expensive full size. For the Ren Global Protection Day Cream, this size would be about $15 US. For the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, this one is $8 US. And for the Percy and Reed Volumizing Mousse, also $8 US, giving box one a retail value of $87 US. $19 box, that's pretty good, $87. So now let's go over what was in box 2. So that box came with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush for a $20 retail value, and the Ico Lash Lure, a $13 retail value. The Ahava Body Lotion had a $5 retail value, and the Percy & Reed Hair Wonder Balm had a $10 retail value. That gives this box a $77 retail value. I did have to do some conversion, so the box is said to be about $80 retail value, but I have a feeling that my pounds to US dollar conversion might have a little bit to do with why it is a little bit less than the $80 retail value, but still for 19 US dollars, a $77 retail value is really, really good. These 4 products were made in the UK. We have one product, the Caudalie, was made in France. The Avant product just says made in the EU. Both the Ahava products are made in Israel. The Ico product is made in South Korea, and the Bella Pierre blush is made in China. That is our 2 boxes of Lookfantastic. Please let me know down in the description box, what box was your favorite? Did you like the box with the 2 makeup items, or did you like the skincare box? It's actually a really tough call for me if you want to know which box is my favorite, because there's one item in each box that I will not be using again. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to try to guess which one item is it in box 1 and which one item is it in box 2 that EP will not ever use. Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to know how many of you really know me, and based on my review, what do you guys think? I will leave a link down in the description. Honestly, either box for $19 I think is a great value either way. These sizes are pretty good. The products are pretty good quality. They're pretty expensive products. Most of them are made in UK, so you get to try some new UK brands if you're in the US, and that's one thing that I really love about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.